The following is an emergency video to get pertinent information out to you guys as soon as possible. The story with the Canoe-EIT Special Distribution is not what we all expected. My name is Candace and we will begin right now. Back in December, Canoe-EIT released a statement regarding a special distribution for shareholders of record on December 31st. This distribution was set for a delivery on January 13th, 2022. The news article read, "The estimated special distribution will be paid via issuance of the same class of units of the fund, and immediately thereafter, issued and outstanding units of the fund will be consolidated such that the number of issued and outstanding units of the fund will not change." Holy banana bread, did this ever create a buzz, as they were estimating a return of 44 cents per share. We all got that they were not paying us in cash for this, but many of us, including myself, interpreted it as they were giving us additional stocks. We were all wrong, as this special distribution was entirely something different. Of course, the excitement continued well into the year. Then along came January 13th. It came and went, and everybody wondered where their shares were. It was the weekend, so maybe we had to wait for the market to open for a transfer of this sort. Nope. Still no shares as we moved into the week. We were at a loss for what was going on. Today, a new viewer to this channel shared what they had received from EIT, and it was not good. Initially, it seemed they did a buyback to initiate the price, but that was not right. The recent increase in price of EIT was simply a coincidence and not related in any way to the special distribution. I certainly needed more information, so I contacted them directly, and they sent me what I needed to understand what happened. Now, I will fill all of you in on what I have learned. The manager of the fund has various options that they can do when they have a surplus of money. They can certainly pay out a cash reward or even stocks, or something else called a notional distribution. Canoe-EIT chose the notional distribution. With a notional distribution, the investor does not receive money or shares. However, the 44 cents per share in this case gets added to the average cost base. This means that the share price stays the same, the market cap stays the same, and the number of outstanding shares also stays the same. Okay, so how does this affect the shareholder? Well, we have good and bad news for you on that front. Let's start with the bad news. If you are holding EIT in a registered account, you will not benefit at all. An increased ACB will not help you in any tangible way. Now, the good news is for investors holding EIT in a non-registered account, for them, the ACB increase will lower their capital gains or increase their capital losses when they sell their shares. Of course, the capital loss part would be very beneficial if they were doing tax loss harvesting. Unfortunately, though, the bad news comes back because this distribution for the non-registered account is taxable, and you will receive a T3 from your broker for it in March. Overall, I am very disappointed in how this has turned out. I feel Canoe-EIT needed to be clearer in their communication. I apologize for bringing the special distribution to light. Yes, people still need to do their due diligence, but this was a trap easy to fall in. On the bright side, EIT is still a good stock with a nice dividend. Also, many, if not most of you, have your EIT in a registered account, so you need not worry about the tax implications. Full disclosure, I am not selling my EIT over this. I still like those dividends, and I still have a lot of faith in the company. They have a strong EPS for an income trust, and I will continue to invest in them in the future. Of course, always remember I am not a financial advisor. I am merely the beginning of your research. Your financial advisor is the end. If you like this sort of content, then please hit the like button. And if you want to see more, then click on subscribe and the notification bell if you want to see whenever I drop a new video. Until next time, take care, and I bid you a fond adieu.